You might not know its name, but I bet when you see it, you will recognize the Monobloc chair. Found in schools and political gatherings, weddings and private gardens, and sadly also in most landfills, it's one of the most mass-produced objects in the world. Made of polypropylene, it's cheap, light, sturdy, weatherproof, and easy to clean. It's often stackable and hard to get attached to, which is why it's also so easily disposable. The Monobloc is the culmination of a long-standing desire among designers to create the perfect industrially manufactured chair. Starting in the late 1950s, they found their answer in thermoplastics. In their raw state, pellets of the material can be heated up, turned into fluid, and injected into metal molds, producing a single, unbroken piece, hence the term monobloc. By the 1960s, chairs could finally be made in one seamless step, and there are many examples of early exuberant experiments in MoMA's collection. It wasn't until the 1970s that the molding process became suitable for truly inexpensive mass production. In 1972, French engineer Henri Massonnet introduced the first prototype of his Fauteuil 300 through his company, Stamp. By enhancing production efficiency, Massonnet brought the entire manufacturing cycle to under 2 minutes. But Massonnet never filed a patent, which allowed many companies to introduce similar models. Since the 1980s, millions, if not billions, have been produced globally in numerous designs, wider, slimmer, with various openings and patterns, and in an array of colors. The Monobloc chair embodies a paradox. In some countries, it is mass-produced and quickly disposed of, while in others, it is valued and repaired, reflecting different cultural perceptions of its worth. Its multifaceted nature symbolizes the complex cultural consumption in today's world.